With Energreen Alfetta, there's a new way to experience work. At the heart of this revolution is its rotating cab, one of the signature features across the self-propelled lineup from Energreen. Advanced, suspended, and panoramic, the cab is designed to move naturally with the operator. No more twisting, no more unnecessary strain. Everything stays right in front of you naturally. The 360-degree visibility puts you at the center of the action, allowing you to operate multiple attachments with ease. No blind spots, just total control, safety, and precision. And while everything around you is moving, you stay comfortable and focused. No stress on your neck and back, thanks to ergonomics designed to help you work better and longer. With Alfetta, you no longer adapt to the machine adapts to you.